Philips soundbar TIA B7807. Main features are sound enhancement up mix, standard, audio sync, treble, and bass control. Equalizer settings movie, music, voice, stadium. Bluetooth version is 5.1. Bluetooth profiles, a 2DP, a VRCP. Multipoint multi-pair, support streaming format. HDMI AR/C or IRC Dolby Atmos. Dolby Digital, Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby True HDLP, CM2H, Dolby MAT HDMI in 1, Dolby Atmos. Dolby Digital, Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby MAT, Dolby True HDLP, CM2 check. Main unit power supply is 100 to 240 V, a C50 to 60 Hz frequency. Subwoofer power supply is 100 to 240 VAC, with frequency 50 to 60 Hz. Subwoofer standby power is less than 0.5 watt. Main unit standby power less than 0.5 watt. Included accessories are remote control with battery, power cord, wall mount bracket, quick start guide, worldwide warranty leaflet. Bluetooth is SBC, USB M3, W of VFLAC, optical Dolby Digital, LPCM2 check. Speaker system output power is 620 W maximum. Subwoofer frequency range 35 to 140 Hz. Subwoofer type is active wireless subwoofer.